In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. This method uses the built-in Windows security settings, and it's a quick way to turn off real-time protection. Just keep in mind that this change is typically temporary, so Windows may automatically turn protection back on later. With that said, let's go ahead and walk through it clearly. Start by opening Settings. The fastest way to do that is to press Windows and I on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut takes you directly into the main settings panel without needing to search for it. Once settings is open, look to the left-hand side and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the main security and permissions options for your system, including the Windows Security area where Defender settings are managed. From there, click Windows Security. This opens the page that connects you to the different protection tools built into Windows 11, including virus protection, firewall controls, and device security. Next, select Virus and Threat Protection. This is the section that controls Microsoft Defender's scanning and active protection behavior. If your goal is to stop Defender from actively monitoring files and activity in real time, this is the correct place to be. Now scroll until you see Virus and Threat Protection settings, then click Manage Settings. This will open the detailed controls for how Defender operates in the background. In that settings area, find real-time protection and switch it off. Real-time protection is the feature that continuously scans files, downloads, and apps as you use your computer. Turning it off disables that live monitoring. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes to confirm the change. This is a normal Windows permission prompt that appears when you make security-related adjustments, and confirming it allows the setting to be updated. After that, the change should take effect right away. At this point, you can close the settings window. That's all you need to do to disable Windows Defender real-time protection in Windows 11 using the standard settings menu. If you're doing this for troubleshooting, installing specific software, or testing something on your system, make sure you're careful while protection is turned off, since your PC will be more exposed during that time. Thanks for watching, and if you want, you can replay these steps and follow along on your own screen to make the process even easier.